to discuss about heat engine. What is mean by heat engine? Now, general definition of heat engine is any practical machine which converts heat into mechanical work is called as heat engine. Any practical machine which converts heat into mechanical work is called as heat engine. Heat engine in their operations absorb heat at higher temperature and converts part of part of heat into mechanical work and rejects remaining heat into it at a lower temperature. Now, what is the importance of heat engine? Heat engine is makes use of properties of thermodynamics to transfer heat into work. Gasoline and diesel engine, jet engine, and steam turbines that generate electricity are the examples of heat engine. Now, what are heat engine in their operations absorb heat at higher temperature and converts some part of heat into mechanical work and rejects remaining heat at lower temperature. In this process, working substance is used. In a now there are many examples of heat engine. For example, steam engine, auto engine, diesel engine, petrol engine, multi-cylinder engine. These are the examples of heat engine. There are two types of heat engine: external combustion and internal combustion of heat engine. These are the two types of heat engine. In an external combustion of engine, the fuel burns outside the way. The fuel burns outside the outside and away from the main beat of the engine where the force and motion are produced. In a in a in an internal combustion engine, the fuel burns inside the cylinder. These are the two types of heat engine. First is the external combustion and second is the internal combustion. In an external combustion engine, the fuel burns outside and away from the main beat of the engine where the force and the motion are produced. In an internal combustion engine, the fuel burns inside the cylinder. Who invented first heat engine? Who invented first heat engine? In 1912, the Englishman Thomas Newcomen developed a more efficient steam engine with a piston separating the condensing steam from the water. In 1765, James Watt greatly improved the Newcomen engine by adding a separate condenser to avoid heating and cooling the cylinder with each stroke. These two scientists are invented the heat engine. Now, uh, in a human, is human body a heat engine? The human body is a heat engine. It converts chemical energy of the food consumed into both heat to sustain metabolism and work. The harder the body exercise or works, greater the need to reject the heat in order to the body to maintain thermal balance. Now, uh, in a where is the heat engine used? Heat engine कोठे कोठे यूज करतात? इंटरनल कंबशन इंजिन मध्ये heat engine यूज करतात. In a internal combustion heat engine are the most common form of heat engine. They are used in vehicles, boats, ships, airplanes, and trains. They are named as such because the fuel is ignited in order to work inside the engine. The same fuel and air mixture is then emitted as a exhaust. How is now in a steam engine, the working substance is a water vapor, and in an all gas engine, the working substance is a combustible mixture of gases. In any heat engine, in any heat engine, the working substance goes through certain changes of pressure, volume, and temperature, and then returns to its initial state. And then returns to its initial state. The complete changes through which the the working substance undergoes from its initial state and back to its final and back to its starting state constitute one cycle of operation. Now, in a heat engine, the second law applied to heat engine. Second law of thermodynamics applied to heat engine. All the real heat engines lose some heat to the environment. This is a hot reservoir, this is a cold reservoir, and this is a work done. Now, this is a hot reservoir extracting heat QH and using it to all to do work W would constitute a perfect heat engine. Now, the efficiency is equal to W divided by QH, and this is equal to QH minus QC divided by QH. A heat engine that violates the second law. Heat reservoir, this is a cycle machine and work done. Now, in internal combustion and steam engine, internal combustion engine, gas turbine, there are the three main parts in an engine, heat engine. A hot body called source, a working substance, and a body called sink. A hot body called source, and this is a working substance, and a body called sink. Now, in a heat engine, how to work this heat engine? A heat engine is any machine which convert heat into useful work. For example, steam engine or a car engine. The hot reservoir heat engine is created by some process and such as the combustion of a fuel to provide the heat energy. The working substance converts the heat energy into work. What are the components of heat engine? What are the components of heat engine? Parts and components of heat engine. The fixed elements of a thermal engine, block, cylinder, head and crankcase. These are the parts of the heat engine. These are the parts of the heat engine. Suppose this is a figure of heat engine. In a heat engine, the parts are fixed elements of thermal engine, block, cylinder, head and crankcase. Moving elements of a thermal engine. Moving elements मध्ये thermal engine मध्ये piston, connecting rod, crankshaft and flywheel. These are the some parts of the heat engine. The most efficient heat engine cycle is the Carnot cycle. The most efficient heat engine cycle is the Carnot cycle and consisting of two isothermal processes and two adiabatic processes. The Carnot cycle can be taught as the most efficient heat engine cycle allowed by physical laws. Temperature are what is the efficiency of heat engine? Temperature are high that a great ideal of heat is lost to the environment. Is a refrigerator a heat engine? Refrigerator is a heat engine आहे का? Heat pumps, air conditioners and refrigerator are heat engines operated. This is a म्हणजे इन रेफ्रिजरेटर मध्ये, हीट पंप्स मध्ये अँड एअर कंडिशन्स मध्ये आपण हीट इंजिन हे काय केलेलं असतं ऑपरेट केलेलं असतं. ऑपरेटेड बॅकवर्ड, हे बॅकवर्ड डायरेक्शननी ऑपरेट केलेलं असतं. द वन shown here is based on the Carnot reversible engine. Schematic Carnot reversible engine मध्ये आपण now heat transfer from a cold reservoir to a warm reservoir with a heat pump. This is a reverse process of refrigerator. The basic principle of heat engine is in a thermodynamics and engineering, a heat engine is a system that converts heat or a thermal energy to a mechanical energy and which can then be used to do mechanical work. It does this by bringing a working substance from a higher state temperature to a lower state temperature. Now, Heat engine is a closed system. In an internal combustion engine, heat is provided to the system air by burning the air fuel by burning an air fuel mixture inside the system. During the working cycle of steam engine is closed, and thus internal combustion engine can be analyzed as a closed system. Therefore, the heat engine is a closed system. Heat engine is a closed system. Uh, the efficiency of heat engine can be calculated as follows. The efficiency of heat engine is calculated as follows. Now, what is mean by efficiency? Efficiency is defined as it is the ratio of mechanical work done by the engine in one cycle to the heat absorbed from the high temperature source. Therefore, efficiency is denoted by a symbol eta. It is denoted by a symbol eta. Then eta is equal to Q1 minus Q2 divided by Q1, where Q1 is heat absorbed from the source at high temperature. Q2 is heat rejected to a sink at lower temperature. And Q1 minus Q2 is the mechanical work done by the engine in one cycle. Since Q1 minus Q2 is less than Q1, the efficiency can never be 100%. Thank you.